Hello Amazon, it's Amy here with 911 Studios, and we are going over the best products on all of Amazon for new parents. You guys, this is a must-have. It is the Itzy Ritzy Diaper Bag Backpack. So this is just an updated design on your traditional diaper bag. It is a really cute backpack. It can be held with the handles or as a traditional backpack. Really comfortable. It's going to be great for your back. It's good for moms or dads to carry, and it comes in a lot of really cute colors and designs. You guys, this is amazing for all of your baby's needs. It has 17, that is right, 10 on the inside, 7 on the outside, 17 pockets to keep you and your little one totally organized, carry all of your stuff, carry all of their stuff. 2 of the pockets on the inside are insulated, so you can carry milk with you. How cool is that? It also has rubber feet on the bottom, which is really exciting because that just means that you're not, if you need to set the bag down on the ground, you don't have to worry about the bottom of the bag getting all dirty and gross on the ground. Also, you don't have to worry about the bag tipping and spilling over and all of your stuff inside going places. Nope, this is gonna stay upright and off the ground. Give it a little clearance so it stays clean. The outside pocket, there's a zip for the changing pad. It comes out, and you guys, this just tells you the detail that they put into this bag and how you know that they're just taking care of you and they thought of everything. There's even print on the changing pad for where the heads goes and where the toes go, so that way you don't get it confused and mix it up and have to worry about that. Don't. They just have everything. This is a really cute bag. I just love how many pockets it has and that some of them are insulated. It's a great product. It's gonna be amazing. If you are expecting, put this on your registry, go ahead and order it for yourself. Put it in the cart. You're gonna be really happy you did.